Hey everyone, we're going to find the Maclaurin series for f of x equals sine of x at x equals 0. The difference between the Maclaurin series and the Taylor series is that our a equals 0. So it's just like the Taylor series, except we have a 0 here. And since usually with the Taylor series it's x minus a to the k, since our a is 0, we just have x to the k, because that would 0 out, and you just get x to the k. So basically we do the same procedures. We already know that sine of 0 is 0, so I'm going to take the first derivative of sine, which is cosine of x, and the derivative at 0 of that equals 1. Then we take the second derivative, and we get negative sine of x. So the second derivative at 0 equals 0. And then we get the third derivative of x, which equals negative cosine of x. And so the third derivative at 0 equals negative 1. Then we have the fourth derivative of x, which equals sine of x. Then we start to repeat a little bit. So f of 0 equals 0. The fifth derivative, you see how we're repeating, is just cosine of x. And so the fifth derivative at, this is fourth, at 0, that equals 1. All right? And so you go on and on and on. So using our formula here, we're going to expand it, and we're going to get f of 0 plus f derivative of 0 at x plus second derivative of 0 at x squared over 2 factorial plus the third derivative of f at 0 x cubed at 3 factorial plus the fourth derivative of 0 x to the fourth over 4 factorial, and then plus f, the fifth derivative of 0 at x to the fifth power over 5 factorial, and so forth. All right, and so the way we're going to write this is going to be x, okay, f of 0, so get x minus x cubed, because this is just going to be 0. So I'm taking out the zeros. This is going to be 0. All the zeros go out, so we're just doing the odd numbers. This would just be x. So this is x cubed over 3 factorial. And then this one is going to be 0. So you can have plus x to the fifth over 5 factorial, and so forth. Next one would be what, if we had to guess? Would be minus x to the 7th over 7 factorial. And you could go on and on and on because it repeats. All right, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.